Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to these Snowdrop Satchel by Blue Cala Patterns. This one here is the small size. There's also a large size that's quite a bit bigger, but they all have the same features. So let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. One thing I love about the small one is just how cute it is. It can be made in vinyls, it can be made in leathers, it can be made in cottons. We can make it in whatever you like. It features these really decorative ties on the side. It also has a crossbody strap which connects into these. I have the crossbody strap inside. It's got a super unique shape. On the inside, there's the crossbody strap there. I have a decorative zipper pocket and one decorative slip pocket. Crossbody strap just clicks into these D-rings like so, all the way around. This small bag is just, I just love it. This is one of my favorite patterns of all time. So if you would like, or one of my clients, and you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All of my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there is a tutorial on this one. It will be released at the end of November, as this is our Tuesday sew-along class on the membership side. So as soon as those paid classes are over, then the tutorial will drop to the public side as well. So make sure you watch for this, and until the next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye.